Hello, this is going to be a podcast video about a binomial question that came up on the help desk. And what the question was asking about is, really we're looking at 1 and 3. We're going to skip 2 for this video since that's not what the issue was. Part of the question was any order and that order, what the difference is between that. So that's kind of what we'll focus on, as well as using the binomial distribution. So we have 5 coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting 4 heads and 1 tail in any order? So what we're going to do is set up our binomial. So first we show that x is distributed at a binomial. NP goes in the middle. N we'll call the number of tosses, that would be 5. And P is the probability of a success. And we'll say heads is a success, and the probability of heads is 0.5. What we want to know is the probability that x equals 4. In any order means it doesn't matter how it comes up, we just want 4 heads. And that's where a binomial is really our idea. So on your calculator, you don't need to show this, but just for the purpose of this video, you're going to choose PDF for that, and you can get the answer that way. Or, alternatively, you can use the formula. So we would have a combination 5, and I could put 4 here, or 1, it'll actually give me the same answer, times the probability of a success, how many successes, times the probability of a fail, how many fails. And I don't really want to figure that out anymore, so you can type that in, or you might have already done the PDF and found the same answer. But either way, that's how you do part I, and that's because it's any order, so I don't care where it falls, I just want 4 heads and 1 tail. Now part 3 is actually even easier. When it says in that order, what that means is I need heads, 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 tail. And it has to be in that order, no other order. I can't move the tail anywhere else. So the chance of heads, and heads, and heads, and heads, and the chance of a tail is still also 1/2. And I just multiply 4, 8, 16, 32. So that's what that order means. It's only this, which we did back in chapter 22. Whereas if it's in any order, that's where it gets more difficult, and that's where we'd want to use our binomial ideas. And that's how you do that problem.